Hello students, in our last lecture we discussed up to point number 8 departmental material in a condition of contract. So today we discuss on an extra item and its payment, which is the part of the condition of contract. So here a contractor shall carry out the execution of the item which are not covered up under this contract, and after obtaining the written order from the engineer in charge, the execution of such item shall not in any way violate the terms and condition of the original contract. So the engineer in charge shall decide and fix the rate of extra item by comparing and studying the rate of suitable item mentioned in the contractor's tender, or by actual process of the rate analysis. And here no extension of the time limit shall be granted due to the execution of the extra item unless the same recommended by the engineer in charge. So here same time is given to complete the work, so no any extra time or extension of the time is given to complete the any extra work. Now next, under 10 number condition of the contract is a measurement and a payment to the contractor. So the measurements of all the item under this contract shall be taken by the engineer in charge or his representative as per standard practice in accordance with the standard mode of measurement of the building work, like here IS 1200 is a standard mode of the measurement of the building work. So the contractor shall submit all the bills on a printed form on or before the 20th of each month of the work executed in the previous month, and the charges to be made in the bill shall always be entered at the rate specified in the tender. So here tender charge and bill charge both are the same, so the contractor has to submit a bill for the payment as above. The engineer in charge shall not later than the first of each month, and the issue of the certificate for the payment to the contractor. So here the amount payment shall be 90% of the sum obtained by applying the tender rate of actual measured quantities of the approved work completed by the contractor during the preceding month. Uh, Now here should the owner fail to pay the sum stated in any certificate for the payment issued by the engineer in charge or in inward by arbitration, so upon demand when due to the contractor shall be entitled to receive in additional the sum name of the name in the certificate interest thereon at the rate specified in the in a appendix to the conditions. Now 11th condition of the contract is the execution of the work in accordance with the drawing and specification. So here this point say that all the work shall be carried out in accordance with the design, drawing and specification, and all the material in every respect shall be in a strict accordance with the specification. So in a specification, like if tiles quality is given and plaster quality is given, or any another quality like RCC work quality, RCC specification is given, so all the work and work to be done as per the given specification and all the material used as per the specification. So the contractor shall be entitled to have the access for the purpose of the inspection during the office hour of all such a drawing and specification and all of such a design and drawing as all such a design and drawing as per the specification complete the task. Next is the addition and alteration. So here the engineer in charge reserves the right to make any changes uh, and addition or alteration of the original design, drawing and specification and instruction as are necessary to in opinion of the engineer in charge during the progress of the work, and which may be given to him in writing and signed by the engineer in charge. So such a charge, omission, substitution shall be demanded to have form as a work included in the original tender, and the contractor shall be bound to carry out the work, and the time of completion shall be extended by the engineer in charge due to above reason. Because here some of the work is addition and alteration is given, and some of the changes in a drawing and design. So due to change in a drawing and design, so extra time is required to complete it. So here additional work is added in original work, and here extra time is given for complete it. So here additional time is also required. Next, 13 number condition of the contract is subletting. So in order to guard against the behavior of the subcontractor appointed by the main contractor, so these clauses is included in a condition of the contract. So the clauses should be provided in two important points, like first one is a written permission to appoint subcontractor to be obtained from the owner, and second main point is a main contractor to be considered responsible for all the work as a whole. So the clauses of the subletting may read as a like the contract shall not be assigned or sublet without written approval of the owner, and if the contractor shall assign or sublet his contract or attempt to do so, the owner may by notice in a written to the contract, and in the event of the contract shall be forfeited, and absolutely the disposal of the owner, and the owner may without any other right or other right of right or a remedy to take permission of the premises of all the material tools and appliance to finish the work by the whatever method, and he may deem expanding. So the contractor shall not be entitled to receive any payment until the work is completed. And if unpaid balance of the contract price shall exceed the expenses of completing the work, such a excess shall be paid to the contractor, and in case the expenses of finishing the work exceed such a unpaid balance, the contractor shall pay the difference to the owner. The engineer's certificate as to be expense to finish the work shall be final. Now 14 condition of the contract is a breach of contract. So in the case of the contract failed to carry out the work with contractual uh, contractual, the owner must have to right to claim damage for a breach of the contract. However, such a damage will not always be an adequate remedy, and provision must be made in order to get the work complete. So in such a cases, abandonment of the work owing to uh, the liquidation and serious illness or a death of the contractor or any other causes, the owner shall have to power to adopt any of the following course he may deem best suited to his interest, like to rescind the contract, or second is to take over and complete the work as an agent of the contract. Now 15 number condition of the contract is a labor law. So this condition of the contract we discuss in next lecture. So here we stop our topic. Thank you.